So we start off today's video with this gorgeous mullet style haircut. This is an absolutely stunning modern mullet style. Very cute and chic, absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you are in need of a major hair change and a refresh, this video is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a haircut transformation. Followed by this lob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous chocolate coloring, middle part down the center. Beautiful. And then we have a long to short transformation. So she has pretty long hair. The stylist cuts the hair into a lob. Wow, absolutely stunning. Gorgeous waves for some texture, feathered bangs. Such a beautiful haircut. Next up, it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob with this one. Gorgeous asymmetrical bob style, loving the blonde color. Next up, we see a pixie haircut. And it looks like the barber or stylist is turning this into more of like a faded pixie cut. Nice design going there on the side. Absolutely gorgeous texture, beautiful. And then we see someone with curly hair. And if you do have a natural curly hair and you're looking for some more hair ideas, I do have quite a few videos showcasing some hair transformations and styling options. One of the biggest trends that we are seeing in the curly community is the shag. So that is what she ended up getting. Beautiful curls in the front, bangs. Her hair looks so fresh and defined and voluminous. Next up, we see someone with very long hair. It looks like they're shaking things up with a bob haircut. Nice, fresh, chic bob style. Very nice. Great option if you're looking for a low maintenance haircut and style. Beautiful. Next up, we see someone with red hair. Wow, gorgeous pixie haircut refresh. And I really like the color. It's like a really nice dark copper tone. Really pretty. Then we have another long to short transformation. Whoa. So I thought that this person was going to be getting a bob, but it looks like they decided to get like an undercut style. Very nice. Then we see someone with ginger hair decide to cut their hair into a pixie. And then we have someone who decided to big chop their hair into more like a layered style. Then we have someone with wavy hair cut their hair into a bob. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation so far has been your favorite. I'm loving this faded pixie cut. I think that it is absolutely amazing. And then we have this stunning bob refresh. Gorgeous copper, dark copper color with the curtain style bangs. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. Don't forget to leave that like, hit that subscribe button, and you can check out this video for more hot hair ideas.